everyone, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a demo for the new Holtz Deckle trimmer, and I'm so excited for this. When I first saw this on Anna's page, who's Serenity Creations 01, she had gone to Frank Garcia's studio, and of course, she had created the most beautiful, stunning cards, and when she showed this, I knew I had to have it in my life. I am so excited to finally have it in my hands. Again, I love that torn edge look. I think it is so pretty, but I think I'm more of a precise crafter. I can shred a piece of paper, but I tend to like fix it because I just hate the look. Sometimes it doesn't like look right to me. So this was like sent from the crafty gods because I'm so excited to just have this. This does measure 8.5 by 11.25. So your 8.5 and 11 papers will cut this no problem. And I actually love the design of this. There is a ruler on the top and bottom. You can see that there's a 6-inch ruler on the top and bottom. Then you have this little guard here to keep your papers down. And the edges, if you can see here, oh, sorry. It has that jagged ridge. So you could see that there, and that's how it gets that torn edge look. It's not horribly crazy where it's like super wavy like you would be cutting it with a scissor, but I love the finish on this. This is a cut apart from the Prima Sugar Cookie collection, and I just went around the edges with this. Oh my goodness, I love this look. And I actually do have the Holtz distress tool, and I just wanted to kind of show you the differences between this torn edge trimmer versus this kind of distress tool. It's not quite the same, and I actually think I prefer the trimmer. And if you have any Tonic products, you know they're high quality, they're super durable, and I'm just a sucker for any tools. So again, super pretty edges. You could see that here, that little just fine detail of distressed edges. And I did go and do a shipping tag, but look how super, I don't know, dimensional. I don't know if it's textured. This tag has been given by this Deckle trimmer, and it's not the most pleasant sound, I have to say. That's probably my only problem with this. And the edges all have different patterns. Like you can go off different sides. And I am, again, more of a precise one, but you can go super fine. I just have that much there at the edge. I'm not sure if you could see that from here. And I'm just going to cut this. Again, not the most pleasant because you are running these blades against each other. But you could see that, again, that edge took it from boring straight. And look, I just cut this little itty bitty strip and it cut no problem. So I think you can even go as far as like this kind of manila folder-ish papers, and I just wanted to show you the difference. So now I have another sugar cookie cut apart, and I wanted to show you the differences between this Deckle trimmer and this distress tool. I am just going to go and take the edges and just kind of zoom in a little bit so you can see my hands better. Again, I love this tool. I've been so, people have scissors. I guess I'm just so lazy that I just love, I'm a sucker for tools. So you can see here, again, I kind of figured out like you can get that like wavy edge and the paper is literally mangled and shredded. But yeah, there's a lot of dust and there's like paper bits all over the place. I'm just going to take my handy dandy little desktop vacuum that Tony Craft Perch made me buy. And I love this thing for just annoying little dusty things like this. Super cute. I love it. And then this is the edge of the distressor tool. And I'm going to take the Deckle trimmer And I'm just going to go on the edge. So you see that finish. So you see nice and clean. There's no dust versus the other one. Again, you got that frayed edge. But the only way you can get kind of like that wavy look is if you go in waves. And I really don't have the time for that. I just want this distressed edge versus this shredded up look. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love this look as well. But I think this Deckle trimmer is a game changer. And I just wanted to show you with this gold paper. And I'm sorry for the glare. Look at that finish. I'm just going to cut a piece just so you can see the difference. Oh, come on. Okay. Again, not the most pleasant of sounds, but you could see the edges. So pretty. I love this. I love this look, and you get a perfect cut each and every single time. Honestly, I think this is a game changer, you guys. Game changer. I think that I'm really happy with this buy, and if you weren't aware of this tool, now you know. And thank you, Anna, for putting me on this path. I'm so in love with this, and if you know that I love all Tonic paper trimmers, I'm just going to show you my big daddy. Ooh. So this is a Tonic guillotine, and I wanted a 12 by 12 guillotine only because I love guillotine trimmers versus the slicers, because you have to replace the blades. I feel like these always give me a precise cut, and I am a sucker for Tonic paper trimmers. So this one I did actually buy for during quarantine because I just needed a new blade, and then instead of buying a blade, I thought I'll just get a guillotine cutter because I love guillotine cutters. I think just they're so awesome. So welcome, Deckle paper trimmer. You are welcome to this Tonic friendly home. I hope you enjoy this video. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good one. Bye.